How to change country on Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can change a country on Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change a country on Amazon is actually quite very simple. All you have to do is basically launch the Amazon application and just make sure that you're signed into your account. After you've done that, just tap on the account like icon that you can find over here. Then once you've done that, you should be able to see the current country that is selected. So in my case, the current country selected is UK. So the flag that you're seeing here is from the United Kingdom. So if I want to change it, I just need to tap on this icon here. Then here you can see country or region, it's set to United Kingdoms. I can select this little option here. Then I can simply change it to the country that I want. So let's say I want to change the United States. I will select the states over here. I can leave the language and currency as it is. Then I can tap on the done button in order to change my country settings on Amazon. That's all it takes to change my country settings on Amazon. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.